in that old photo.
But he just used his trunk. I think that looks like his rump.
Oh, is that his butt right there?
Yeah. And if he had his trunk over to his side or something. And that's made out of what?
If you Google it, it has a website. So it's supposedly sandstone, but Jim says it's not.
We're going to find out in a minute.
Jim is our archaeologist for.
Really?
Yeah, Jim comes with us on the mining hikes and stuff. The archaeologist. Yeah, yeah. It's got a website. What is the pile below? Is this the poop pile?
Yeah, I think so. That would be the poop pile.
It's there's writing in it even.
AB. What does that say?
I don't know.
Somebody put their name in
Notice
it?
the disintegration in the back here.
I do. But that makes me think it's sandstone. Let's see.
So it is.
I know. But it's natural, right? It's 100% natural. Are you climbing it?
It's marble.
See? Look. Wait, hold on, Jim. It's supposedly sandstone. So Jim is an archaeologist. So, are you testing it? Hold on. Let's see. Do it again for the GoPro. Let's see.
Let's find a nice little spot to try it.
Okay.
I don't want to spill this bottle of acid on anything.
Is it acid?
Muriatic acid.
Now, what are we supposed to see?
Bubbling.
If it's sandstone, it'll bubble.
No, if it's marble, it'll bubble. There it is right there.
It's bubbling.
I'm surprised it's not bubbling more, Tom. Usually the lower units of marble are the ones that fizz rather than bubble.
So you think it's
Are you kidding me?
It's marble, yeah.
Huh. It's marble.
See, this is where his tail was.
It could be impure, Tom, with other stuff in there. I remember out in the Catamount Hills, I was running around the woods testing every rock. Some would bubble and some wouldn't.
So do we know for sure now?
I mean, is it marble covered in sand?
So he's making, Jim is changing history right here. Jim is changing history now, like all the people.
Sometimes they're just very casual about their observations.
Yeah. Jim is saying no sandstone. Yeah, you got Christy Butler. Oh, okay, hold on. You hold that one up. You got Christy Butler's book. I got that in my truck too. There it is. There it is. Christy Butler. It's not sandstone. Christy.